Experience all-day comfort with the Nike Comfort Ride EasyOn Light Silver Sail, a shoe built for smooth movement and long-distance walking. Its thick, wave-shaped foam sole delivers cloud-like cushioning, absorbing impact while keeping every stride stable and quiet. A breathable light silver mesh upper creates subtle shine, supported by reinforced lace areas and an internal midfoot band that gently secures your foot. The EasyOn heel tailgate softly compresses as you slide in, then springs back for a natural, secure fit. Soft sail tones and a muted spruce or a swoosh give the pair a clean, modern aesthetic that fits streetwear, daily commuting, running, and casual walking. Multiple outsole textures offer reliable traction, while reflective accents and precise stitching add depth to its minimal design. Built for Nike's running research, the Comfort Ride enhances your natural motion, adapts to daily activity, and supports long journeys with flexible, lightweight responsiveness.